door that you have to squeeze through isn't a door at all. It's an obstruction. Your door needs to do more than fit your entryway. It also has to fit the demands of your customers and your business. Introducing the new DuraFit from STANLEY Access Technologies, the long-lasting, telescoping automatic door designed to fit your entryway and keep business moving. Now you can deliver an uninterrupted experience with the largest possible walkthrough for your space. For retail, hospitals, and hotels, that means you can maximize space, not waste it, allowing deliveries, gurneys, or luggage carts to take full advantage of the opening. Engineered with reinforced construction and wearable parts that last twice as long, the DuraFit is built to exceed expectations. Tested against extreme temperatures and the abuse of hand trucks and luggage carts, you can trust it to perform for years to come. Plus, our new IQ controller delivers a perfect slide. The DuraFit is designed to relentlessly protect the things that matter most. Security hooks built into the full height of the panels help to prevent break-ins and the loss of inventory. And you'll feel secure knowing your doors are made to withstand the full force of an exhaustive crowbar attack. Doors are important, so whatever your door means to your business, choose the door made to fit your needs. The STANLEY DuraFit. Now that's performance in action.